She cooks her own rice on the stove. You do whatever you want. Let's see if it's done. When that time is up, take it out of the oven, rip that foil off, grab a fork. If the chicken just falls apart like this, it's done. Whatever's left on your fork, just go ahead and pick it up and put it in your mouth. Oh yeah, that's really good. Really good. Throw that chicken on some rice, pour a little bit of that sauce, and you're in business, which is exactly what I'm about to do. But first, if you'll excuse me, I need to call my mom. I'll see you in the comments.